ஹாய் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ், வாழ்க வளமுடன். இன்றைய வீடியோல நம்ம சொல்யூட் சால்வெண்ட் சொல்யூஷன் இதை பற்றி பார்க்க போறோம். ஆஃப்டர் வாட்சிங் த வீடியோ, லைக் இட், கமெண்ட் இட், சப்ஸ்கிரைப் இட் அண்ட் பிரஸ் த பெல் ஐகான். வாங்க வீடியோக்குள்ள போலாம். எஸ், now see what is this. This is nothing but a transparent glass tumbler. Now it has got water. I have filled up this one with 3/4 with water. Yes, this is solid. In the solid transparent glass tumbler I have taken 3/4 of water. Now look at here. This you would have seen. This is nothing but our cooking salt. The salt chemical name is sodium chloride. You all been aware of already. It is NaCl. The formula for sodium chloride is NaCl. I have taken powdered salt of this. This is of course you all been knowing the spoon. One more tumbler. Here one more tumbler. All these things. Now what am I going to do? See to it. Look at here. Now I am taking a little bit. Even we can say 1 teaspoon of the salt I am putting inside the water. Now what am I doing? I am stirring. S-T-I-R-R. I am stirring. That is, I will see whether you also can see from there whether it is dissolving or not. What is the meaning for the word dissolve? Now after some time, after doing like this, see whether are you able to see the salt. Are you able to see the salt? No, you cannot. Wait and see. We'll see. You have to do like this. Stir it slowly, steadily. You have to stir it. No. Now it is dissolving. We are unable to see the salt there. I am going to add again what? Another teaspoon of the salt again to the water. Again I started sharing. I started doing like. Look at here. We wait 1 or 2 seconds whether it is disappearing or not. We'll see. Yes, we can see again clear water. That means the salt is getting dissolved in the water. Able to see? Yes, look at here. Very nice. See that it is disappearing. Are you able to see the salt? No. Now this one is said to be, we wait for some time. See, look at the salt. This salt is said to be solute. S-O-L-U-T-E, solute. This solute, I am adding this solute to the water and see whether it is dissolving or not. Is it clear? This is what is called solute. Of course, this chemical name is sodium chloride and it is salt. This solid salt is getting dissolved in this water, that is the liquid. It is called solvent. Now after mixing this salt with the water, we are calling this one as the solvent. Now this solute, all the substances will not get dissolved. Only certain substances will get dissolved in water. Hence, if you want to define solute, means substances which has got the ability to dissolve in water. Like that, even we can take sugar also. Sugar also will get dissolved in water. Then we can easily, if you want to say, the whatever the solute you are adding, the substance should be less in amount, whereas this will be more in amount. Then only it is dissolving. Now this solute, the capacity to dissolve, the solute has got the ability to dissolve in the liquid. At the same time, we come to the solvent. This term. Now this one, what is that means? The solvent, the water has got the ability to dissolve the solute. Is it clear? Now, this liquid, water has got the ability, water has got the capacity, water has got the power to dissolve. Okay, at that time this water is said to be solvent. Now look at here, now again clear solution, look at here, very nice. Students see, look at here, very clear water we can see. Now I am going to add another teaspoon of salt. Then we can add one more teaspoon also, we'll see. Now to get the clear water, we'll see how it is. Little bit. Now you are able to understand, I hope so, regarding the solute. Solute is nothing but a substance which has got the capacity to dissolve in the liquid water. That's what water is said to be universal solvent. It has got maximum solute, it will dissolve. That is what it is called, universal solvent. Now when it is said to be solvent, solvent should have some capacity to dissolve the solute. Suppose if you are taking a stone, I ask you to take a stone, put it in water, see, definitely it will not dissolve, everyone aware of it. Now see to it. Now what, if after some time when you see, you get the clear solution, we want, wait. Now after mixing this one, it is called solution. That is, this one, the solute as well the solvent. Solute I have taken, I am mixing it with the water. Now it is said to be solution. When do you say it is solution? Two substances are mixed up evenly. Evenly we can use the word uniformly. Then only you cannot see the thing. It will disappear also. It has got the ability to dissolve. Now it will be very clear from the definition, solute, solvent and solution. Solute means the substances which has got the ability. Solvent means that liquid should have the ability to make the solute to dissolve in it. And when these two mix, you will get a clear solution. At that time it will be called as true solution, we can say, water solution we can say, and clear solution. Now when you taste it, you can see it will be very much salty. Now you can ask one question. Why? How many? Suppose if you are adding some more thing, what will happen? If we keep on adding this one, okay, extra teaspoon because it is, I will add in this thing. See, what will happen to this? You have to wait and see again whether it is getting dissolved or not. It will not get dissolved. Now look at here. Now like this, you can see that salt at the bottom of the container, though it has got the ability to dissolve in water, but it will not get dissolved. Here also we can wait it and see. Extra keep on adding this one, whether it does appear or is getting dissolved or not, we'll see. It will not dissolve at the bottom. You can see after some time when you see, it will not get dissolved. Can you say why? Definitely, yes, that is the correct answer. Because in the case of solute, you are increasing the amount of solute to a fixed amount of water. Now, you are not increasing the solvent. You are not increasing the solvent. Instead, we are keeping on adding this. At that time, it is said to be saturated solution. At that time, it is said to be saturated solution. Now again we come right from the beginning. Now solute means what? Now from here we'll see. See, look at here. Solute means substances which has got the ability to dissolve. Solvent which has got the capacity to dissolve the solute. Here the solvent is nothing but water here in this case, because water has got the ability to dissolve the maximum number of solute. Number of substances it will get. That is what it is said to be universal solvent. Now when these two solute and solvent mix up, we are getting solution. That is what here I have written as an equation. Solute mixed up or combined with the solvent, we get solution. That is true solution. In true solution, it is evenly mixed. We cannot see the solute at the bottom. Now, the next one, when you keep on adding this, what will happen? I have asked that question. When you keep on adding, it will not get dissolved. Though it has got the ability, at that time, it is said to be saturated. Look at here. Very nicely you can see. Salt is at the bottom of the tumbler, bottom of the container. Now, at this time, it is called what? At this time, it is called saturated solution.